Guys, this video might not go perfectly well, but today I'm going to teach you how to make your own website hosted on the Dead Internet project. So first, you go log in, but first I register. I'm not going to show you anything. Okay, I got that in. Then you go to login. Then you do this. I'm not going to show this. And then you're on here. Everything is accessed. So then you can press web hosting and press enter web dashboard. You can start editing your website. Don't mind the index.php and stuff, but look, now you can. My dad will be able to. Once he finds out you have an account, then he'll go there and upload your site onto here or any other websites you created and put it in here so you can edit it without using your computer. Or if you're on computer, you can still use computer, but you don't have to go on the specific website. So then you can start creating your website, save it, then you can go over here. Once you change it, then you can go in here. So I made 2 websites. You can go to ryansproject.site. You can go to Ryan's project, and it looks like this. But also, the one hosted on Dead Internet project, they're the exact same. So I can basically go on here and delete my website. Now, have fun.